All right, here we go with a video that will show you a couple of different ways in which to multiply, and hopefully we can use this as practice and it will be helpful to you. So we're going to, as I said, multiply. And we're going to multiply 1,426 times 8. Okay? So the standard way in which we multiply, called the standard algorithm, is like this. We do 8 times 6 is 48. We write the 8 and regroup the 4 into the tens place. 8 times 2 then is 16, plus 4 is 20. So again, we regroup. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 2 is 34. Regroup the 3, and then 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So we have 11,408. Now the other way that we can do this is 1,000. We break this out into extended. 400, 20, and 6, and we do each one separately times 8. So 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 2 is 16. But 8 times 20 is 16 with a 0 added to it, so that's 160. 8 times 4 is 32 with 2 zeros added because it's 30. That's 400. And then 8 times 1 is 8,000. And we add these, and we get 11,408. Okay, so there's two different methods you can use. All right, now we're going to look at multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. So we have, well, let's say 57 times 79. Okay, so the standard algorithm, we do this. We take each one on the bottom and multiply it by each one on top, remembering to hold our place values. Okay, so that looks like this. 9 times 7 is 63, so we put a 3 here and regroup a 6. Then we do 9 times the 5, which is actually 50. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 6 is 51. Okay, now we go to the tens place, so we put a 0 in, so we move over under the 7. And then we don't need the 9 anymore, and we don't need the 6 up here anymore. 7 times 7 is 49, so we put the 9 here and regroup the 4 again in the tens place. And then 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4. 35 plus 4 is 39. Okay? Oops, sorry about that. All right, now we're going to add these. So we have 3, 9 and 1 is 10, 5 and 1 is 6, 9 and 6 is 15, 3 and 1 is 4. So we have 4,503. All right, now another method we can use is, we call it the break apart method. We do each one separately. So we have 50 plus 7 times 9. And then we have 50 plus 7 times 70. Okay, and we'll do that in a second. So first we have 9 times 7 is 63. So we just write 63. Then we have 9 times 5 is 45, but we add the 0 to the end, so it's 450. And that's 513, which matches right here. Now this one we have to add the extra zeros in, so don't forget that. 7 times 7 is 49, but this is 70 times 7, so it's 490. Add that 0 in there. And then 7 times 5 is 35, but it's 50 and 70, so that's like 10 times 10 is 100. So we have to add the 2 zeros, one from each. And then we add those, 0, 9, 9, 3. So we have 3,990, just like we had here. And then we add 3,990 plus 513. 9 and 1 is 10, 15, 4,503. So we have the same answer. So there's a couple of different ways in which to multiply. Hopefully you find this helpful as we continue to practice our multiplication. Thank you.